In front of me is Realme C61 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by launching settings and tapping on sound and vibration. Then hit vibration and haptics at the top and use this switcher next to use vibration and haptics to switch them on or off. If you decided to activate it, you can manage all of those options by clicking on the switchers next to them. When you finished, go back, scroll all the way down and use those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to manage those two options as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!